In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in MetaTrader 5. Zooming in on your chart is a simple but powerful way to see more detail in price movements, identify patterns more clearly, and make more informed trading decisions. In MetaTrader 5, this is done very quickly from the main toolbar, so in this video I'll walk you through exactly what to look for and how to use it confidently. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and that you're looking at a chart. This can be any chart, currency pairs, indices, commodities, or any other instrument you're analyzing. You don't need to change any chart settings for this step, just make sure the chart window is active on your screen. Now, look toward the top of the MetaTrader 5 window. You'll see a row of icons in the toolbar just above the chart area. Among these icons, you should see a small plus sign. This plus sign is the zoom in button. It's usually placed next to a minus sign, which is used for zooming out. The plus sign might look small, but it has a big impact on how clearly you can see the market structure on your chart. To zoom in, simply move your mouse cursor over that plus sign and click on it once. After you click, take a moment to observe your chart. You'll notice that the candles or bars appear larger, and you can see fewer of them on the screen at the same time. This means you're now more zoomed in and can examine each price movement in greater detail. If you feel you need an even closer look, you can click the plus sign again. Each click will zoom you in further. This can be especially helpful when you're analyzing recent price action or looking for precise entry and exit points. Just remember that as you zoom in more, you'll see a smaller slice of historical data on the screen, so adjust the zoom level based on what you're trying to study. If you accidentally zoom in too much, don't worry. You can always click the minus sign next to it to zoom back out until you find the view that suits you best. And that's it. By simply clicking the plus sign above your chart, you can quickly zoom in and get a clearer, more detailed view of the market in MetaTrader.